Worried your AI-generated content might get flagged? In this video, we'll explore how to bypass AI detectors and make your writing look almost 100% human, safely and effectively. Let's see how far today's tools can really go. First of all, I opened ChatGPT, one of the most widely used AI tools for content writing today. It's popular because it generates content that closely resembles human writing. I simply typed, "Help me write a random passage of 150 words." Within seconds, ChatGPT produced a well-written, coherent passage. Impressed by the result, I copied the text to use in the next step. Now, let's see if an AI detector can recognize whether this content was written by a machine or a human. This test will help us understand just how naturally AI can write and why so many people rely on ChatGPT for their writing tasks. At this stage, I will access this website, which is called Write Human.ai. You can easily find it by searching on Google. This AI offers powerful AI detection tools to help you identify whether content is human-written or generated by AI, but it doesn't stop there. This platform also lets you humanize robotic AI text into natural, human-sounding writing with ease. Whether you're crafting emails, essays, blogs, or captions, Write Human makes it all feel authentic. You'll also find features for grammar correction, content improvement, and tone adjustment. It's a smart toolkit for students, marketers, and creators who want professional, original, and undetectable AI-enhanced content. So first, you need to create an account here. Since I already have one, I'll skip that step. Now, let's enter the AI detector section to test whether the content we created using ChatGPT can be detected as AI-generated. I'll paste the copied passage here and hit the Detect button. As you can see, the result shows 96% AI-generated, which is quite high. Now, there's a Humanize option below. But here's where many people make a mistake, clicking it and assuming the job is done. Even after using this, our content still shows 89% AI. Not safe enough. So what's the solution? We go back to the previous screen, paste the content again, and this time enable the enhanced model under the advanced options. Then click Write Human. After a short processing time, the final result shows a 97.54% human score, which means your content is now safe and undetectable. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more great content.